I doing here? We're here. Here on our balcony, upstairs, ready to go to the cinema and watch Inside Out 2. If you already watched that,
Guys,
do this.
Guys.
Do this. Stop, stop, stop. Do this. Like. And I'm wearing this kind of style. I'll show you guys. This is what I am wearing. Put the towel there. Guys, this is what I'm gonna wear for our movie later at 6:30 p.m. Look at my hair with bangs, my new bangs. One half hair. My New York. My New York sweatshirt and my new skirt and my volleyball shoes. That's what I'm wearing for today, guys. And this 2 earrings. Look here. 2 earrings. Another one there. Like that. And I'm so excited. This is my 3rd time going to a cinema.